Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to discuss one common issue about not being able to select expiry for a list of F&O stocks in condition builder. So let us see how to do that. So first of all, let me just create one list. Over here I will just add one list. I will just name it as good stocks. I will select NFO as the exchange since we want the current month expiry to be selected for the list of stocks that are F&O stocks, and I will select the underline. First is Reliance, second stock we will select TCS, and third let's select Wipro. So now we have created this list and I will just save it and update, and I will close this list. Now over here in the set number we will select the same list that we just created, that is good stocks, and let us create a condition. So over here we will just select position keyword with close parameter of previous candle. So now as we can see, let me just zoom in a little bit. So now as we can see, we will just simply select say 5-minute candle over here, for example, and in instrument name over here, if I want to select the same list, then what happens is I will just select NFO, and if I select the same list at the bottom as good stocks, then it doesn't give us the option to select the expiry over here because it's a list of stocks. So over here as you can see it is blank, and this will happen for all the lists. We will not be able to see the expiry for those particular any particular list that we have created. So there is a solution for that. So as you can see, for this also there is no expiry. So for that what we have to do is simply we have to go to any of the underlying stocks, individual stocks at the top of the list. So as you can see, we have the list at the bottom over here. All the lists are at the bottom and all the individual stocks are at the top. So you can select any of the stocks over here. So for example, I will just select simply ABB, and you will see that now the list of or the expiry has started appearing for these stocks, right? So I can select say any. There is no hard and fast rule that you have to select a particular stock. So for example, I will just select ACC, and then what I will do is, since the stocks only have monthly expiry, I will select as current month. So once we have selected this current month, now what we can do is we can go back to this particular stock selection list, and at the bottom where we had created our list, we can select this particular list. So now as you can see, our expiry is also selected and a list of stocks is also selected. So we can just simply save this, and as you can see now, the list of stocks, which is always shown in this vertical column. So whenever there is a vertical column that is seen over here, you can see that you can infer that this is basically a list of particular stock that you have selected. So NFO, list of stocks, and the current month, that is the expiry, has also been selected. We can just simply save this, and then you can use this for condition builder. So that's how we resolve this particular issue. Thank you.